How can I troubleshoot any issues I face while installing Android on my LG WebOS TV?
Welcome to this video on troubleshooting issues while installing Android on your LG WebOS TV. We'll be discussing different potential problems you might face and how to resolve them. Let's get started.
Is your LG TV compatible?
First, you need to determine if your LG TV is compatible with Android OS. Check the model number and manufacturing date of your TV. Keep in mind that only certain LG models can be converted to Android OS. Research your specific model and ensure that it's compatible before proceeding.
Do you have the necessary software and tools?
To install Android OS on your LG WebOS TV, you'll need the following tools and software. Android ROM compatible with your LG TV, micro USB to USB cable, a computer with ADB and fastboot tools installed. Make sure you have all the necessary components before attempting the installation.
Are you following the right installation procedure?
Following the correct procedure is crucial. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Enable developer mode on your LG WebOS TV 2. Connect your LG TV to your computer using the micro USB to USB cable 3. Launch ADB and fastboot tools on your computer 4. Unlock the bootloader of your LG TV 5. Flash the Android ROM onto your LG TV 6. Reboot your LG TV if you're facing issues. Double-check the steps and make sure you're following them correctly.
Is your Android ROM compatible?
Using an incompatible Android ROM can cause issues during the installation process. Make sure the ROM you're using is specifically designed for your LG TV model. Using a generic ROM or one designed for a different model may result in errors.
Are you facing connectivity issues?
If you're experiencing connectivity issues between your computer and LG TV, try these troubleshooting tips. Check the micro USB to USB cable for any damage. Try using a different USB port on your computer. Restart both your computer and LG TV. Make sure your computer's ADB and fastboot tools are up to date. Troubleshooting issues while installing Android on your LG WebOS TV can be a bit tricky, but with the right information and tools, you should be able to resolve them. Remember to check your TV's compatibility, use the correct Android ROM, and follow the proper installation procedure. Good luck!